Same old me, same old problem. I don't know what to do, and my mind state is not okay, and I want to grow as an individual. ये सवाल अगर आपके मन में है, then it is high time you start the journey of reinventing yourself. My name is Modma Kanshul, and today I'm going to talk about very interesting way of integrating psychology and spirituality together. As a business psychologist and a spiritual coach for years, I always clearly say that psychology and spirituality go hand in hand. कोई ये अलग दो छोर नहीं है जो हम एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं जोड़ते. They always and always will be together. Now think about it. अगर आप एक mental frame पे नहीं हो, और if you're emotionally unstable, and if you're not feeling okay or feeling unhappy in your mindset, will you be able to move spiritually forward? Your growth will become very, very stagnant because there is no flow of energy that needs to be cleared. But at the same time, when you look at the other side, it's the other flip of the coin. When your energy is flowing, when you are attracting good things, when you're letting go of old hurts, you will become psychologically and mentally very strong. You will get clearer focus, you will get better concentration, you will have clearer decision making powers, you will also get areas where you will get build better relationships, better interpersonal relationships. All of this is because you are spiritually flowing, your energy is flowing well, and vice versa. So अब करना क्या है? What do? You cannot just be lying on the bed and say, oh, I want to reinvent myself and I will do whatever I need to do in my mind. Nahi hoga. That doesn't happen. You will actually need to physically do something. Get out of your bed first. First thing that I will tell each one of you who wants to really shift their perspective of life and shift their wavelength of life is first step on reinventing is actually understanding. एक inner audit होना चाहिए. किसी भी चीज़ के शुरुआत में एक ऑडिट ज़रूरी है. What is an audit? It's just like knowing thyself. What is really happening? Journal what your life depends on. If you have to ask yourself, what makes me happy? What is my trigger? मैं किस चीज़ से चिड़चिड़ी या चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता हूँ? What makes me happy? What makes me sad? What is it that is really happening with me? What is my goal in life? Or maybe what are the patterns? Now this is so important. और मैंने काफ़ी वीडियोस में इस चीज़ के बारे में बात किया है कि पैटर्न अपने ज़िंदगी का होता है. वो मेरा पैटर्न क्या है? मुझे किसी भी चीज़ को अगर री इन्वेंट करना है या उसको ब्यूटिफाई करना है, बेटर करना है, तो मुझे ये देखना अत्यंत ज़रूरी है कि मैं अभी कहाँ पे खड़ी हूँ. वेयर एम आई स्टैंडिंग नाउ? सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज योर इंटरनल ऑडिट. मेंटली एंड स्पिरिचुअली ये दोनों को लेके चलता है. In your mind, where do you want to go? Spiritually, where am I blocked? This is knowing yourself at the given moment. Second thing to reinvent or rediscover yourself is to break the old pattern or break up with your old self if you have to. Very common, a very old but a very, very common saying, if you do the same thing, you are going to get the same result. Similarly, you have to break old patterns if you want to move forward. What do? Ask yourself, why do I always fail? Why I'm not good enough? These are the questions. If you're having these questions in your mind, why are they coming? What is it that, what kind of a memory does it trigger? ये चीज़ें क्यों आ रही है? And then you work with yourself with either hypnosis or neuro-linguistic programming, or you can practice journaling. You can write down and you can understand those things and let it go through meditations. Of course, we practice, when I'm working with a lot of people, we practice hypnosis to break old patterns, we practice past life regression to break old patterns, and they're very helpful. So they will help you break that purana pattern like a software. अगर एक वायरस है आपके सिस्टम में, तो आपको एंटीवायरस डालना पड़ेगा टू ब्रेक दैट ओल्ड पैटर्न, टू ब्रेक दैट वायरस. सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. After that, what you do is you create a new blueprint. Now you've already removed the virus, you will put an antivirus, you will put a new programming system in your software. Similarly, we will put a new programming system in our being. You can do it through visualizations, you can do it through imagining your ideal self in a mirror. I've had a meditation which we spoke about in terms of manifesting your dream life. Use that visualization technique. Your mind is extremely powerful, and it can recreate and create what you really want. It can help you manifest things which is the best for you. Do not go crazy in manifesting, um, wanting to manifest something which is far more unrealistic. So stick to your goals and your set of ideas that you think is the best for you, and let the universe decide also. That's an important thing that you need to be very careful about. You can chant affirmations, you can start having conversations with your higher being, with your masters, with your angels, whoever you feel you're connected with in the universe, with the concept of the Panchamahabhut. I really feel that these five elements you need to be connected to when you're reinventing yourself, because you are made of that. You're made of that bone, flesh, blood that is liquid, ether which is your own being, space which is your breath. You're made of those things. So connect with them when you're trying to reinvent it. Ask them help, take their help to create a new blueprint for yourself. And when you do that, you set your goals. When you are ready to reinvent yourself, set your goals and say, okay, now I know where I was, I know where I want to be, I know what are my triggers and my blocks. I also know that I have cut that pattern. That cutting of that pattern is very important, and I'm going to now reimpose or impose or imprint a very good blueprint on my thought process or in my belief system, which you have to continue repeating. For any program to work on you, you have to have consistency, continuously doing. उसका अभ्यास होना चाहिए, बार 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 बार। जब आप वो चीज़ करते हो तो आपके वो बॉडी में, माइंड में, एवरी सेल में वो चीज़ बस जाती है. It could be a very natural instinct of yours, and you have to make it like that. When you do that, you will see your life changing slowly and steadily. Very important thing when you want to reinvent is also connect yourself with something bigger, a bigger purpose. जब आप अपने ज़िंदगी को एक बड़े पर्पस के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं, a bigger something bigger than what you and me are, it makes your life worth living. It makes you feel that you are contributing to the society or to the world or to yourself or to your family. And when you make that bigger contribution, your motivation to do something becomes very strong. Your consistency also becomes stronger than probably in the past few days or years that you've been. So here reinventing is so beautiful, and both will happen simultaneously. Psychologically, you will do all of these things. These are your ways of doing it. You know, just challenging your belief system, auditing yourself, then building those micro habits like daily habits, but those छोटा छोटा जो habit होता है, अगर आपको healthy रहना है तो एक drink a glass, extra glass of water or have a fruit every day. छोटी चीज़ें which will shift your mind. They don't have to be big, they have to be very very tiny, but needs to be done. And after that, upgrade yourself in terms of get a better circle of friends, get a better set of things to read, declutter your area around you. All of those things ये mind shift करता है. उसके साथ साथ spiritually you will start growing. And of course at the end of the day you have to practice your emotional resilience by mindfulness practices. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा, mindfulness है, meditation है, visualization techniques है, mantras है, chants है, affirmations है. Set a vision to something and make it very tangible. In management courses that I teach in universities, we usually talk about keeping it smart, specific, measurable, realistic, attainable, and time. Having a time deadline होना चाहिए उस चीज़ का. So keep it very tangible कि ये मुझे चीज़ करनी है और ये चीज़ मैं उस समय में कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ. And then very important, I think it's a very very important, is embrace the power of self compassion. मैं इतना कर रही हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, and this is enough. I can do it better than this, and I love myself unconditionally. How much ever I'm doing, I love myself unconditionally now. When you are able to do that, you will find a beautiful, interesting, emotionally resilient, spiritually more heightened individual, and you will meet that person. और ये कोई ऐसे instant हो जाएगा ऐसा नहीं है. It takes time. It takes time. Let it soak itself. Let yourself soak in the juices and the beautiful energy of spirituality. It will help you move mentally, and when you shift these things psychologically on an everyday basis, your spiritually will also your spiritual um, compass will also head north. So I think it's a wonderful thing. I hope you all practice. You can connect with me, of course, if you want to, work in terms of healing or regression or hypnosis. But otherwise, practice meditations. There are a lot of videos available. Do that and shift. Make a list of things, journal things out, and that's how you have to go. It's not a quick fix medication. It's a long term, it's a lifelong process. And the sooner you get on that wagon or the train, the better for you. And it will be a wonderful, wonderful journey. Namaskar.